see the new little babies. Our new baby chicks. We got 12 chicks. We've had them for almost 2 weeks, so they're getting big now, even though they're tiny. This one here, her name is Poultry.
No, that's not poultry.
Yep.
Because that's the one with the thing on it. What did Randy call that one?
Oh, this is Drumstick. This one is delicious. Oh, the babies. No, we don't eat these, as far as I know. I don't think we'll be eating these. These are pets. The little ones here are supposedly bantams. They only end up being like that tall. They're like a little roaster chicken thing. But these are like the big full-size chickens that, you know, we have outside there. We also have the little 2 bantams outside. And these little bantams can actually take flight right off the ground and fly right up over your house. But they like staying around the house, and they just live around the house and they'll stay. But you gotta watch that nothing eats them out of the woods. These are what, reds or something like that? Or
Assorted reds.
Yeah. So they have beautiful markings on their, like a Navajo type marking on their wings. What about you over here? When I didn't see you? When you handle them really nice, they become so friendly. And they come to you, like ours come to us every morning. Here, I'll give a demonstration. You don't even have to have something to eat. You open the door, but rattling of processed foods. We need a processed food wrapper. Oh, where they are? They must be out and about somewhere. Chickadee chicks. Chick here. Chick there. Here, chick.
I see one in the window, the shadow of one over here.
Where? There, a chick?
The rooster.
Everywhere is a
Here he
chick.
comes.
Chick. Come on.
Here comes the rooster.
Oh, then we got another one right here.
Oh, and
that's a band.
Sketcher.
And we got a little wind-up tin toy there.
Oh, and Reese. Right here. The rattle of processed food. Don't even think about it, Sketch. You're not coming in the house.
Show that. A baby.
That is kind of cool for her.
I know. Look, it's a baby. What's going on?
Just pet the chickens. And saying goodnight before we come back out.
I'll tell you, your chicken's got it made. Unbelievable. Look at this one. It used to be on film all the time. Reese.
Hey, Reese.
How are you?
Reese.
You didn't close it? Could zoom in, but... What is that? What is it? Oh, never been on camera before. Sketch is just hunkered down. I'm guessing it's probably about 15 degrees out, would you say? Just dropped down cold. Alright, let's get all their names, because I got them as baby checks, and I'll update it. That's Drumstick. Or no, that's...
This is Drumstick.
No, not Drumstick.
Poultry.
Poultry. Drumstick is the one we had before.
I got it.
Oh,
This is Drumstick. This is Alice. This is Scooter. Back here is Emma. This right here is Rosalie. This is Emmett. This is Sketch. This is Scotty. This is Reese. This is Einstein.
Einstein.
Right there on the ground is Mutton Chops.
Mutton chops?
That's mutton chops.
Let's see Einstein. Now, why would you call him Einstein?
Her.
You call her Einstein?
Her. Do you see the difference between the tufts on their head?
Yes.
That's why she's Einstein.
Yes, because she has the biggest tuft.
She needs an afro pick is what she needs.
And by the way, it's not poultry, I'm sorry, it's not Drumstick, it's Poultry.
I know.
You called it Drumstick
Because
twice.
he called her Drumstick.
Was it me or her?
You called
You called it first and then she did
Okay,
it.
that's right. Here we go.
It's actually poultry.
And mutton chops? Why would you call this one mutton chops?
Isn't it obvious?
Oh my goodness. Here's my favorite. Right there. Poultry. She's the sweetest and the kindest. She always comes up when they're all pecking for food and stuff. She's the one that hops up in your lap and says, here, give it to me one at a time, you know? Okay.
Lucy. Good girl.
Blue beaks.
Blue beaks. Blue skin. Blue, purple skin.
That thing's got blue beak too?
Yeah. All the white hens have.
And she has like metallic-y blue ears.
Have you ever seen one gasp for air and choke? I was just wondering if they do indeed turn color. Because if they're, you got a blue beak chicken with blue skin, what color will it turn? Probably purple. Probably would turn purple. When he's tucking her head down, it's cold. Usually her neck sticks out real far. It's almost down.
There you go.
How much you like Reese? Trust me.
I love Reese. He's my baby.
Oh, yeah. But Reese and Sketch, they were the first ones.
They're the pioneers.
Yep. And Reese's the one that you had in your mouth when you first got her. You want to see if you could fit her in your mouth, and you did. And what, her two back legs were hanging out?
Yeah.
You don't like that?
She doesn't have front legs.
Oh, that's right.
It has 2 legs.
Yeah, she only
All
has
right.
2 legs.
Well, there are 4 back legs. What are they, unique chickens? See, she'll give you a kiss. Oh, that was cute.